Hello guys and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're looking at the Bicycle Steampunk deck. Now this deck I've had for a long time, I'd say maybe 6 or 7 years. Let's have a look. So very metallic, very cool, and that is not the reflection just coming off of the cellophane, that is the tuck case itself. United States Playing Card Company. I mean, look at that. Some proper chrome finish to it. Let's have a look, a bit more information here. 2012. So I got this deck when it first came out, I believe. So it looks like Radiator Vents, which is pretty cool. There's no seal on it, which is kind of handy because I wouldn't want to damage the chrome look to it. As I said, I've had this deck for a long time and I've never bothered opening it. But I'm doing it here for you guys. Try and bloody get in it. Pause the video, I'll be back. And we're back. I'll show this in all of its glory. Look at that. Proper nice, proper shiny. It feels a little bit rough. It's not like mega smooth, but it just looks incredible. Look at that. Let's get inside. Bicycle subsidiary information in there. So, get in the game. Bicycle. Fine. I've got a Joker here. It's like a mechanical eye. Guarantee information. So here we have like a clockwork spades. Cogs and machinery. Steampunk as the theme suggests. Looks like we've got a little porthole. If you look closely. Like for a boat. Submarine. It's pretty cool. Standard faces up until the royalty. Now here we have a very nice black, silver, red and white royalty colours here. Very nice. I really like that. I like red, black and white grayscale, so silver's just as good. Into the reds, standard faces again. Very similar colour theme. Almost exactly the same apart from obviously the pips and indices. Very nice. Standard faces. Oh, I love this red. It's like a bit of a deeper red. It's not quite as bright as you'd normally get on the standard faces. And the black is just obviously black. So we have a double backer, which is very nice of them to include. Very cool. Looking at the back here. Now it is somewhat anticlimactical in my opinion. I'll just get this tuck case back out. I mean, this gives you a real expectation of something awesome, and then it's just slightly disappointing. I mean, I don't know if I can focus any better on these and you can see it. It is the same design, obviously, but it just doesn't look anywhere near as good. It still looks nice. I mean, I like the whole cogs and mechanized theme. Looks like some pistons or engines in the middle there. You know, you've got cogs, there's like a little clock, a little arrow with arrows on it there, a few bolts and nuts, and I mean, it looks nice, and I like the way that they've blended the border in with it. It's continued around into it, rather than having a solid border, then having the design inside, and they've incorporated these screws up there to also acknowledge that. And I mean, it looks very nice. See all the screws? Pretty cool. Yeah, it just looks great. The handling's great. It's the same awesome finish that you'd expect, same awesome handling that you'd expect, and it's just a really nice deck with pretty standard faces. I really like the ace. It's very cool. I like the fact that the jokers are different, and I mean, you can't ask for much. I mean, this deck is probably very cheap now. Now, I can't remember what I paid for it all that number of years ago, but I'd imagine now you could probably get a deck of these steampunks really relatively cheap. But yeah, I mean, the deck's nice. If you're into that sort of steampunk theme, it's very cool. It goes in with a lot of modern art. There's a lot of characters in that anime and stuff where they use a lot of mechanical parts, and it's just, yeah, it's really pretty cool. I mean, I've always wanted to open it. I've luckily got my hands on a second deck, which I hadn't had until recently. So I've cracked this open after a very long time, and I'm not disappointed. Yeah, I like it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.